Little air leak. So it's coming from up there too, though?
When you push that knob in,
yeah.
watch this. It's leaking like a sad. Right up in here.
Yeah.
I can't pinpoint it out there nowhere.
It sounds like it's the actual parking brake valve. I'm gonna pop this. I'm for my gloves. That's just that fitting. May even be able to just take it off, but it looks like you got, see all that oil that's coming from your air compressor. So the air compressor is probably passing a little bit of oil. All right, but let's check out that parking brake valve. A little bit of T-bits in my life, star bits. A lot of this is already a little broken. You gotta be very careful. Right size. It's like a T20. So these are the little brake sensors that I was thinking of. I was kind of thinking on these, and that's pretty sure exactly what it is. So now I got to take this apart to get back to there to figure out which one it is exactly. Got one of these guys, I'm pretty sure there's. Yep. I don't know if that doesn't necessarily hold this down. God, this is gonna be a pain to get off. We're gonna work on just, it's all one piece. Down here, trash can. You got the two screws down here. So we got that one, this one here, connected to this bar back there. Okay, so we got it all off. Got to these brake sensors and this, which is usually sometimes on the bulkhead, but this one's back here. It's a pass-through valve. And I think this brass fitting is bad. They can feel the air, but I'm also afraid that you can almost see the dust come up. I'm also afraid that this back here is bad. So I'm gonna see if I can get one of these, get a couple of these. Probably have to get this a new brass fitting right there. And he's got one with an air leak on the outside of the truck. So we're gonna call Freightliner and see what we can get. We back. We got some parts. And obviously what you wanna do, release all your air. You can either use, how is this? What in the actual, where is the accelerator pedal? What? I did not notice that before. Okay, this truck's lit. So, yeah, you want to release all your air. You can either do that by here, or you can go actually to the tanks. I would suggest going straight to the tanks. It's always good to drain your air, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do it this way. At least you can hold it. Let it drain out there, but. All right, so I got everything just to make sure. I think it's just this one here. So I'm gonna swap that out, swap this one out, and see what that does for me. Okay, so usually these can come off pretty easy, but see that gold part? is what you thread this into. Well, that's spinning in here. Because I was trying to get this off to get to this one. Because like I said, I think this is really just the main one that's the problem. But if I can't get them out, then yeah, you're going to just need this whole piece replaced. So that's probably what I'm about to start doing. So I'm going to tape each one of these up if they're not taped, so I kind of know which one they go to. And yeah, just start swapping it out, doing it line for line. So we'll get in it. Quick connects, and you just push down. It's really good. Can't really see, but pull it out. All right, before we test that other one, I'm gonna swap this out, and I had a feeling that was gonna be too big. That's a 3/8 hose. I think I got one though. Also, you see how it's all oily right here? The air compressor is most likely passing oil, and that's where you get another lesson with AM PM. I'll explain. So all of these valves are not created equal, right? See this black one without the red tape? Well, you can't put a red tape one on the black one. And then the one that screws in down here, right? Or no, the one that's broken, screws in right there, the one that's got the brass fitting. Well, those are specifically sensors for the high and low air. So they're shorter, you take two of them. So they're shorter. So you get the red stickered ones, you get the black without. I guess that one's closed, the rest are open. And unfortunately, our parts guy just sold me all the red ones. And I guess I didn't catch it, so that's kind of my fault. But what's up? And so yeah, that's where we're at with it. Fortunately, things like that happen. Can only blame myself, really, because I should have told him. I should have just taken it off and brought it. I was trying to give him a chance with air conditioning, leave him with some air conditioning while I came over here. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have just taken the stuff off. So, all right, we'll give you an update when we get back. Okay, so we got it together. Now, we got a lesson learned here. I put it together with the parts that they gave me, and the low air warning was staying on. As you can see, you have different, these right here, these two right here are actually the high or the low air for the, I'm pretty sure for the primary and secondary. So that's gonna make the sensors go off. They gave me these, and then this one over here has no red tape, and that is apparently a off switch. So yeah, we got them good to go. We're gonna put this all together and get them out of here. Hey, we finally got it. So you got a red solenoid up here, one on the bottom, so two red tape, one black, and then three of the smaller, those are the air sensors. So there's three of those, and so that's what they did me dirty again. So yeah, I finally got it. Oh my goodness, this thing has been a mess. I knew these things were tricky, and I should have gone with my gut and brought it, because then we would have matched them up. Kind of got a little thing to say to the Freightliner for giving me all the same thing, when then I go back there and he said, oh yeah, there's three different ones. So I appreciate that. But all right, we got them good.